Welcome to this tutorial on how to integrate Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, designed to provide a more comprehensive and accurate understanding of user behavior on your website or app. To get started, you need to create a Google Analytics 4 property. First, sign in to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. Click on Create Property and select Google Analytics 4. Enter your property name, select your industry category, and choose your reporting time zone. Next, you will need to set up a data stream. A data stream is the source of data for your Google Analytics 4 property. You can set up a web data stream by providing your website URL and selecting the data collection method. You can choose to use a GTAG, a global site tag that allows you to track user interactions on your website. After setting up your data stream, you need to add the Google Analytics 4 tracking code to your website. This code is used to collect user interaction data and send it to your Google Analytics 4 property. You can add the tracking code manually by copying and pasting it into the head section of your website, or you can use a tag management system like Google Tag Manager. Once you have set up your Google Analytics 4 property and added the tracking code, you can start tracking user interactions on your website. Google Analytics 4 provides a range of reports and metrics that allow you to analyze user behavior, including page views, sessions, and conversion rates. To get the most out of Google Analytics 4, it is essential to set up events and parameters. Events are user interactions that you want to track, such as form submissions or button clicks. Parameters are additional data that you can send with events, such as the category or label of a button click. Best practices for integrating Google Analytics 4 setup include verifying your website ownership, setting up data retention, and using the debug view to test your tracking code. You should also ensure that you comply with data protection regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, by providing clear information to users about data collection and usage. In conclusion, integrating Google Analytics 4 setup is a straightforward process that requires creating a property, setting up a data stream, adding the tracking code, and setting up events and parameters. By following these steps and best practices, you can gain a deeper understanding of user behavior on your website or app and make data-driven decisions to improve user experience and drive business growth.